Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss some more extra questions of chapter 10th. First question is, a rectangular garden is 34 meter long and 26 meter wide. What would be the cost of fencing the garden if the cost of wire is rupees 55 per meter? So here it means fencing. So the question is related to perimeter of the garden. We know the length of garden is 24 meter and breadth is 26 meters. So the perimeter is twice of L plus B. It will be 2 times of 34 plus 26, that is 2 times of 60. So it is 120 meter. Now the cost of fencing 1 meter is rupee 55. So the cost of fencing the total perimeter, that is the cost of fencing 120 meter is 120 into 55, that is rupees 6600. Second question is, the length and breadth of a basketball court are in the ratio 7:3. If the court's perimeter is 200 meter, find its length and breadth. Now, as I told you, if I have the question of ratio, the lengths are in ratio. So, you will assume the length has 7x and breadth has 3x. Now we will apply the formula of perimeter because in the question we are given the perimeter. So perimeter is 2 times of length plus breadth. It will be 2 times of 7x plus 3x. Now 7x plus 3x is 10x. So it will be 2 into 10x, that is 20x. It means perimeter is equal to 200 meters. So the perimeter we have calculated is 20x. So 20x is equal to 200. From here x will be equal to 200 divided by 20, that is 10. So we want to find the length. Length is 7x. So it will be 7 into 10, that is 70 meter, and breadth is 3x, that is 3 into 10, 30 meters. Third question is, the cost of making a wooden frame for a picture is rupee 8 per centimeter is rupee 240. What does this mean? The cost of making a wooden frame for a picture rupees 8 per centimeter is rupee 240. Means for per centimeter is rupees 8 and the total cost is rupees 240. If the length of the picture is 8 centimeter, find its width. Now the cost of framing the picture is rupee 240. This is the total cost. And the rate of framing means for 1 centimeter the rate is rupees 8. Perimeter of the photo means the total cost divided by the rate of framing per centimeter. So it will be 240 by 8, that is 30 centimeter. This is the perimeter. Now we know perimeter is equal to twice of length plus breadth because frame is in the form of a rectangle. So perimeter we have calculated 30. So 30 is equal to twice of length is 8 plus breadth we don't know. We need to calculate this. Now 2 will go in the denominator. 30 divided by 2 is 15. So 15 is equal to 8 plus b. Now we want to calculate b, so shift this 8 also. B will be 15 minus 8, that is 7 centimeter is the breadth. Question number 4th is, two sides of a triangle are 24 centimeter and 20 centimeter. If the perimeter of the triangle is 62 centimeter, find the length of third side. We know perimeter of a triangle is sum of all the three sides. So its perimeter is 62, that is equal to 24 centimeter plus 20 centimeter plus the third side is x. Let it be x. Now 24 plus 20 is 44. So it will be 62 is equal to 44 plus x. Now I want to find x. Shift this 44 on the left hand side. So it will be 62 minus 44, that is 18 centimeter is the third side of the triangle. Fifth question, find the length of each side of a regular pentagon if its perimeter is 60 centimeter. Now we know a pentagon is a 5-sided figure, and if it is a regular figure, so the perimeter will be 5 into side. Perimeter is given to you, that is 60. So 60 is equal to 5 into side. I want to calculate the side. So side will be 60 by 5, that is 12 centimeter. Sixth question is, Yashu takes 3 rounds of a square park of side 120 meter. Hiten takes 3 rounds of a square park of a park with length as 150 meter and breadth as 100 meter. Who covers more distance? Now one is a square and other is a rectangle. Distance covered by Yashu is 3 times the perimeter of a square field because he has taken 3 rounds, so it will be 3 times the perimeter. Now perimeter is 4 into side for a square, so it will be 3 into, in place of perimeter write the formula 4 into side. Side is 120 meters, so it will be 3 into 4 into 120. The total will be 1440 meters. Let us come to the case of Hithane. He also has made 3 rounds, but in this case it's a rectangle. So it will be 3 into perimeter of a rectangular park. Perimeter of rectangle is twice of length plus breadth. So it will be 2 into 150 plus 100, that is 2 into 250. So it is 3 into 500. This 3 as it is, 3 into 2 into 250, 500. So the total is 1500 meter. Clearly Hithane has covered more distance. So this way you can calculate, you can do the comparison as well. Now the homework for today is the length of each side of a regular octagon is 8 cm. Find its perimeter. Thank you. Have a nice day.